Hi guys, so good morning. This is another day here in Nayuki, and as part of our experience in Nayuki, we are going to this amazing place. It's a waterfall. I haven't been to any waterfall since I came to Kenya, and so my host, Christine, suggested that we go to this place. Christine, I mean, there are some new subscribers who are watching this video for the first time, so kindly introduce yourself.
Hi, Christine again. Today we are going to see the blue waterfalls of Laikipia, Ngarendare.
Are you sure the water is blue?
If it rains, sometimes it's not blue, but I hope it's blue today.
Alright, I'm sorry if the weather looks some way. It's because of global warming, and that is why we are asking you guys to grow trees and stop pollution and take care of the environment. If you take care of the environment in periods like this, you have good sunlight, and yeah. So I'll see you guys in not the next episode, but actually at the waterfall. So. So we are finally here. Alenda is a hike to the waterfall. So apparently there is a canopy walk. What does it lead to?
500 meters, there are stairs on the other side, so if you can get up, walk all the way to the other side.
Yeah.
If you're lucky you'll see animals. If not, just the trees and the landscape.
How safe is it?
It's very safe.
It's very safe? Have you ever done it before?
Yeah, I've done it twice before.
Okay, so for those of you who are afraid of height, I feel like this is a challenge. It's not too high, it's not too low, but it's a little bit high. So I don't know whether my cameraman is afraid of height, but we have to get the shot, so we are going. Let's go. It's a little bit cold, so if you see me with all these things around me, it's cold. Yeah, I don't know why Kenya is this. I mean, at least this is not scary. The one in Ghana is more scary because it's higher and the net. This one doesn't stick. Yeah. The one in Ghana, if I do like this, everybody will just jump up. Hey. Hey. So we are currently at Ngarendare, and what are some of the things that you see at Ngarendare?
It's one of the protected areas in this region.
Uh-huh.
Lots of indigenous trees.
Okay.
Lots of birds, lots of wildlife, especially elephants.
Okay. So we see elephants on this trail? Okay.
That's why we need a guide in case we come across an elephant while walking.
Okay. So it's not advisable to be out here without a guide?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's mostly it. And then of course there are waterfalls. There are two actually. There's the blue waterfall and then there's another one, a higher one.
Oh.
So if you still have energy to walk, you might see both.
Please, my people know that I'm the J. Yeah. So I'm excited that we are going to see waterfall. This is the beauty of the country and the continent that they don't show you guys. Magical Kenya.
This is where we're going to start our activity. Actually, we've already started the activity because we've already done the canopy walk.
Yeah.
So now we're starting the hike from here, which will be 3.5 kilometers from here to the waterfall.
3.5 kilometers?
Yeah, 3.5 kilometers.
Okay. Do you think I can survive?
Yeah, you can survive. Everyone can survive actually.
3.5 kilometers?
Yeah.
And you want these legs to follow you?
To and fro.
So 3.5 kilometers to go, 3.5 kilometers to come back.
Yeah.
That's like 7 kilometers.
Yeah, probably 6-7 kilometers.
I haven't trained for a while.
You'll be fine actually.
I'll be fine.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
If you know I'll be fine. Look at the camera. Say,
Yeah, you'll be fine.
oh, say, All right, let's go.
So at the end there, after the hike, this is where you meet the blue pools, the waterfalls, and this is where you're going to have a cold swim. Yeah, if you guys are good swimmers actually, because these pools are deep, they are natural. Yeah, so we don't recommend non-swimmers to train down there. Yeah.
You've heard the rules. If you are not a swimmer, please don't try to attempt to swim. You can maybe play at the edge of it, but don't enter.
So now because of time and now the weather can change anytime down here. So it's good we start the hike. We talk much about Ngarendare on our way. Any question, I'll be always there to answer the question.
Thank you. Thank you.
much.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm ready.
John.
And
See you later.
John, bye bye. John is
Sorry.
John is actually our driver, and so John.
Yeah. Yeah. See you and have a safe adventure over there. So we have one. Look at this. Some scratches.
Yeah.
This probably could be from a leopard. So we have this.
You have leopard around?
Yeah, this territory is for the leopard. You see the poop?
That is
The white
leopard poop.
Yeah, all this is leopard poop. It's only that it's dry. When it's fresh, it's a bit greenish somehow. And because of the calcium, they feed on bones and the like. This is why you can see it in a white color. So we have one leopard that this is the territory. This is how actually they mark their territories.
I see.
Yeah.
Should I go home? You said we are going to see leopard and we are not in the van. Should I go home? I'm scared.
Actually, it's not easy. Leopards are said to be nocturnal. It's not easy to spot them like during the day. It's only at night. They are so much active actually at night. Most of the cat family are active at night. Yeah.
All right, guys. They say I'm safe. So it's fine.
So you're very safe. So apart from either doing the hikes, maybe like escorting people the 3.5 kilometers, you know, our main duty as rangers is to do the routine patrols in the forest. So we do patrols in the forest. Yeah. So it's a routine thing. If you are not on your off day, you are not on leave. Oh, sorry. Yeah, most of the time we do the patrols in the forest. Yeah. Sometimes you have people with the intention of logging in the forest, but so we must make sure that we roam around, know the movement of wildlife, the movement of human beings in the forest, and you know, this is the hideout of everything actually. So we must make sure that everything is all safe in the forest. Yeah. So the whole forest as well is surrounded by 6 villages. We have one at the west, that is Edi village. We have the other one at the south, that is Mbujo. Southeast we have Kisima, the far east we have Soboiga. There is Manyangalo behind the hills, another village down there. Then this is Ngarendare. So these are the communities that are taking care of this forest. It's a national forest, it's a government forest actually, but it's managed by a community forest association. The trust now, the Ngarendare Forest Trust. That tree, it's known as the moth tree. We have the moth butterflies laying their eggs on that tree. So they undergo a complete metamorphosis from the egg to a larva, from a larva to a pupa, then to adult moth butterfly. So when now it's in that stage, it's in the pupa stage. That's that whitish thing you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is now in its pupa stage. So finally, in maybe a few weeks to come, you could see some moth butterflies around that web. Yeah. So when the moth lays their eggs on this, they lay, when the eggs are hatched into caterpillars, the caterpillars could eat the freshly growing leaves. Yeah. That's why it's known as the moth butterfly.
I see.
Yeah. So that is ermine tinted moth. They are known as the ermine tinted moth butterflies. So it's the caterpillars that produces the silk to protect themselves from eaten by the birds, by maybe rains. When it rains, you know, it's like a tent, so the water can't get inside and affect them. So that's why you see it's known as the ermine tinted moth.
Alright guys, so we are finally here, and this is the Ngarendare waterfall, and let me show you guys around. I'm definitely gonna swim. The water is so cold, like I don't know if you can see, my fingers are already like freezing, but I'm still going to get in there and swim. If there is lake or anything, please, I'm writing my will to you guys. Say will be the one to edit, and I'm waiving all returns to every charity out there. So please, yes, but you know what? Let me go show you guys how this waterfall look like. Where does this water come from?
It comes from Mount Kenya actually.
It comes from Mount Kenya.
Yeah, all underground.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So from Mount Kenya,
Yeah.
it flows all the way here.
Yeah.
And then where does it go?
It heads up to the northern Kenya.
Northern Kenya.
Yeah.
Okay. Is swimming allowed? Are we allowed to swim?
Yeah. Swimming is allowed.
All right. Okay.
For the swimmers actually.
For the swimmers?
Yeah.
All right, sure. So swimming is allowed for swimmers only. So if you know you don't trust yourself with swimming, please don't attempt this. But you know Fred, he won't come to this place and just see the water and walk away like that. I need to jump in and experience it. So.
This is what you get to enjoy when you come to Kenya. I'm sorry that the water is changing color right now. It's because I swam all the way over there, but then I need to go back. I have to represent my country, Kenya.
Alright guys, so this is my punishment for jumping in the cold water like this. It's definitely worth coming here to experience something like this, having this amazing beautiful pool to yourself, blue pool. And I know most of you are thinking about how to get here, who to book, and how to get more information. Now Christy works here. Christy not work at the pool, but like she plans trips. She's a trip planner. I'm going to leave everything to her for her to just give you information. So Christine, do your talking.
Hi guys. Again, welcome to Ngarendare, the blue pool from Mount Kenya. If you want to come here, you can find me in Nanyuki through Proudly Like Ethiopian Travels, and I will show you around.
Alright, she'll show you guys around. Are you affordable? How affordable are you?
Extremely.
Extremely affordable.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's time to leave. I've had fun. Just that I shouldn't have jumped into this water. I feel like my body is. I'm trying to wake my body up.
He didn't die, guys. He didn't die.
Yeah, but I'm trying to wake my body up. It's like part of it is not working right now. I'm not feeling anything. So yeah, so it's time to go back, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. It's a bye for now.